Welcome to 83 Overcrest Circle in Wendover Farms, Brevard, North Carolina. This is more than just a comfortable home. It is a home base for the Western North Carolina lifestyle, with 10 acres to spread out, a horse pasture and barn, French Broad river frontage, and a spacious 4,300 square foot home. If you know Trans-Pennine County well, then you know Wendover Farms is one of the most unique communities in the area. Where else can you have the feel of the classic American suburb, with friendly neighbors, manicured lawns, and a sense of community, but also have a strong connection to nature just minutes from Brevard? This home can provide the ultimate privacy, but can also transform into a space where you can share good times with friends and family. With ample entertaining spaces and spacious decks overlooking the patio and pool, your friends and family will find endless ways to enjoy being together. The barn has water and electricity, so your four-legged friends can be safe and happy. It can also be expanded or repurposed for your riverfront activities, work in the pasture, or even make the ultimate garden shed for your future harvest. In a county known for its great hiking, biking, and waterfalls, one of its greatest assets is commonly overlooked. The French Broad River meanders through the middle of farmland and forest, providing habitat for a variety of wildlife and recreation for those who have discovered its potential. 83 Overcrest has over 1,800 feet of French Broad River frontage, providing private access for fishing, canoeing, and a variety of water-based activities. So come see 83 Overcrest Circle and see how this can be your home base for your mountain lifestyle.